best believe we gonna be rolling. So guys, I got this done. Got the gaskets done. Filled it up with tranny fluid. I'm gonna drive it to the house. Test drive it, check it again tomorrow, top it off, and he should be picking this thing up tomorrow. So then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do mine tomorrow. So get this thing to spin, take it to the house. Let it stay at the house overnight. Cause look at all that train dripping from mine. That's all transmission fluid from my car. And it's been dripping like that for a while now. I just didn't really have time to do it. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow for sure. Make sure your lights work on here so I won't 9/11. And tomorrow, guys, what I might do is I might try to figure out how to put that console up in here tomorrow. So I might do that tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get it in here tomorrow. And I'm gonna figure out a way to get them seats back there too. I was talking to my boy Sean and he was telling me some ideas, so I'm gonna do that too. Here go the console right here. And I got like some carbon fiber things to cover this, and then I can actually use that. I can use that and cut that out to make it fit this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see what I can do, see what I can come up with, see if I can get that thing on there. And hopefully, guys, it's not too big of a task. I think I can get it done though, because I'm pretty good at ideas and putting stuff together, so hopefully I can get it done tomorrow, or at least start on it. So I'm gonna try to get that thing done tomorrow, and we out. What it do, my baby? I'm back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. What I'm doing today is I'm changing my transmission filter, transmission pan, and my gasket. This is my new one right here. This is the new gasket. It's black. I don't want that chrome shit no more. No aluminum, none of that shit. Just give me black regular. And the one that I'm putting in here is just a let me stop this copyright. And I gotta put this other one in here because this one is leaking. And I'm finna get up under the car so I can show y'all what's going on. I think it was leaking from right here. If y'all can see, I do got the more so gasket on here. But I think what I did was I warped it. And I'm gonna see once I take it off how much I warped it. And I think what I did was, guys, I tightened it too tight and it warped it. And I think this one is stripped. So I got a screw that I can put through the top and then just tighten it up. But I'm about to get to it, guys. So far, so good, guys. And the Buick did go in gear, so we good on that end. No leaks under there no more. Man, I was sick of that. Leak. Everywhere you go somewhere is leaking. No more leaks. No more leaks under there. That's a good thing. Then my next project, after I get the Buick done, y'all see what I got going on right here. I got 2 consoles. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Try to make this console fit that console. Try to make that console fit this console. Got cup holders in it already. Got the lighter right here. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing next. Then I got them seats going in here too. I'm gonna fix that too. So I'm on something, guys. And I got 2 back seats. And my boy telling me I'm gonna just need some more foam for that one so it can make it sit up higher. And as you can see, let me show y'all how they sit. They kind of sit like, whoa. This one actually got a rip in it, so this is gonna be the one I'm gonna be experimenting with. But they sit like this. They sit like that. So I should be able to get them in there for sure. I'm gonna figure it out. But that's how they sit. Put the seat belt up through there, put the other seat belt up through there, put some cushion on the bottom. I got plenty of cushion right here. So I can like chop it in half, or I can use some more of that cushion over there. Chop that in half, glue it together. Got some good glue, so I'll figure it out, guys. So guys, tell y'all right now, man, this shit too loud, bro. I thought I was gonna be able to be okay with it and just ride it out. Hell no, bro. This shit way too loud. So I went and just bought me some regular flow masters, bro. I'm about to go get these bitches put on right now. This shit is too loud, bro. It's way too loud. So I'm about to go drop this bitch off right now. Get this shit took off. It's too loud, bro. Too fucking loud. That's all I got to say. This shit too loud, bro. Hell no. No, sir. Take this shit off. Now. Right now. I take this shit off myself. Hell no. Sound better and quieter to me. got? Here we go. Yep, that one. I got that one. I got that one, boo. Yeah, I got that one. There's a lot of people coming now, ain't it? That old school growler, you hear that, boy? What is that? No. Hell no.
Got his ass, dude.
The little real one? Hey, we back with another video.
You're not my real dad.
I'm not your real dad. I am him.
Yeah.
I'm him.
Why you got like that then?
Okay. Who am I now?
My dad, I ain't kidding.
Okay, we back with another video. Today we not working on no cars today. We chilling in the house.
And we gonna get my cookie later.
Yeah, we're gonna get his slushy later. And we was gonna get on the highway and go to the car show, but it's too far away, and I don't want to do a real long drive like that with just me and my son and nobody following us. So I chose to just sit in the house, and at 4 o'clock we're gonna leave, and we're gonna go to get his slushy, and we're gonna go to Mike's shop so Mike can hook up this what do we got? Transmission dipstick. So I ordered a dipstick right here. Yeah, guys, I didn't even know that my tranny was still leaking until I took it and took the mufflers off. So when I picked it up, before I picked it up, they called me and let me know that the transmission was still leaking. So the whole time I'm thinking I fixed it, I didn't. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that was all that was wrong with it, but at the end of the day, that wasn't. So I thought it was just really the the trans pan. So I changed the trans pan and I changed the filter. Come to find out, I wasn't looking good enough because it was coming from the actual dipstick. So I ordered another dipstick. I'm gonna go over to Mike's shop and let him change it. We're gonna go from there. Hopefully that stopped it dripping, because it's dripping like hell and I can't take it no more. And there's always something with these cars. That's another reason why I didn't hop on the highway and just go to show and go. Shout out to everybody in Chicago, man. And shout out to Playboy G's. You always kept it real from day one. Fixed on my car on his birthday. You know what I'm saying? So whenever I needed something, or I needed to kick it with him or something, or had to ask him a question, he didn't hesitate to call me or nothing. So I reached out to him before before the show and see if he needed help, but he never responded, so I'm assuming he probably was just busy. I should have just called him. I don't know why I didn't call his phone, but I just text his phone, and he probably was getting a whole bunch of texts, so I should have just called him. But at the end of the day, y'all always be there for people who there for you. You know what I'm saying? And stay positive and stay focused, man. I'm trying to figure out what the heck I'm about to do with all this bark in my backyard. So, about to get Braxton dressed. About to go to Mike's shop, have him put this thing in here for me, and then we can call it a day, come back to the crib and chill with my son. It's dead, ain't it? Oh. I'll... That bitch ain't leaking no more. That gasket. Better not be. Gas gauge. Gas gauge, Mike. It shouldn't be that full, should it? Overkill. What? Where you at, dude?